Hello, good evening. Dito kami, panibagong restaurant. There, we gonna barbecue pork. Japan food. There. Bakit gumagalaw siya? Shout out mga Team Kalinga. This is Ate Dol Dumondon. Nandito kami sa Macau Ferry Terminal. There. There. Grandpa. Say hello. Hello.
Can I see?
Go inside with the CD and sit on the high chair.
Inside there?
Yeah.
There, eating here. There. We're eating here. We're gonna barbecue. There. We're gonna barbecue. This is Japanese restaurant. We need to try every food there is inside the restaurants. Last night dito kami sa sushi. Yan sa kabila. So they likes barbecue. There. Wala pa, nandun pa sila sa labas. Kasama namin yung bata. Shout out mga Team Kalinga. There. Shout out. This is Ate Do. Uwi kami mamayang after dinner. And then, after Miss Celing's operation, sa eye niya, dalawa yan eh. Isa muna, and then, after the other, isa ulit. So, titira kami kila Michael sa Peak Home. Titira kami doon, hanggang sa sumunod ulit yung isa. So, matagal ulit kami. After operation, babalik kami sa bahay namin. So sa ngayon, babalik kami sa baba, sa bahay niyang maliit. There. Bye. Good night. See you later. Kuya Bal Santos Matubang, Ate Edna Vlogs, Kalinga Prof. Shout out mga buong team Kalinga sa mga tumulong sa ayuda kanina. Bye!